Is it time to buy or sell Tecnoglass stock? In this video, we will explore Tecnoglass in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 14th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Tecnoglass as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.32. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of -11.47%. This results in an average daily loss of -1.91% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, presenting a potentially favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor, positioned at $69.81, be breached, it would signify a likely acceleration in the downward movement. The present 3-month trend indicates a possible negative shift of 12.33% over the upcoming 3 months, with expected returns ranging from -12.56% to +2.63%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis forecasts an 11.41% change. According to our assessments, the stock's performance may vary between 5.37% and 46.05% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price range between $73.76 and $102.24. Our latest daily update for Tecnoglass includes the headline, Tecnoglass Inc. stock price ended at $70 on Thursday, after losing 0%. There were no changes to the price of Tecnoglass Inc. stock on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.92%, ranging from a low of $67.68 to a high of $71.01. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 6.85% during this period. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $90.34, while the lowest price was $58.24. Currently, the price is 22.51%, or $20.34, below the 52-week high of $90.34, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Tecnoglass finds itself in a challenging position following a report from a short seller. The company has firmly rejected the allegations made against it, while reaffirming its recently raised guidance for the full year 2025. This response comes on the heels of a strong performance in the second quarter, where the company recorded revenue of $255,500,000, achieved double-digit organic growth, and reported a gross margin of 44.7%, an increase of 400 basis points. The adjusted earnings per share stood at $1.03, and the adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization reached $79,800,000. The backlog grew to a record $1,200,000,000. Liquidity remains near $310 million, and management is actively deploying capital with a recent acquisition in the United States and a new showroom on the West Coast, while also exploring a fully automated facility in Florida. Additionally, the board has declared a quarterly dividend. In the short term, we can expect heightened volatility and trading volume as the market analyzes the claims from a short report, in contrast to the company's rebuttal. Negative headlines may exert pressure on the stock. However, a credible and sustained defense, combined with solid quarterly results, often helps to halt sell-offs and can lead to rebounds. Looking further ahead, the fundamentals, such as margin expansion, visibility of the backlog, geographic growth, and disciplined capital deployment, support potential upside, assuming execution remains strong. Persistent execution risks or new unfavorable disclosures would serve as the primary downside catalysts. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, it was reported that Raymond James assigned TGLS a market perform rating, along with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 10th of October, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned TGLS a neutral rating, along with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned TGLS a neutral rating, along with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 7th of May, 2024, it was reported that D.A. Davidson assigned TGLS a buy rating along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 9th of April, 2024, it was reported that D.A. Davidson assigned TGLS a buy rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tecnoglass stock a general neutral rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as sell, while the price-to-book value receives a strong sell rating. However, for return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tecnoglass. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, and so far, it has fallen 0%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. The volume rose on the last day, while the price remained unchanged. This may serve as an early warning, and the stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence near-term developments. The Tecnoglass Inc. stock currently holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative forecast. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $74.47 and $76.10. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence, divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger revealed a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average generated a sell signal 6 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 3 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average signaled a sell 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell 6 days ago. Again, the relationship between the short and long moving averages offered a buy signal 3 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tecnoglass. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock could face significant challenges in the upcoming days. This stock typically exhibits average daily movements, and with a solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.33 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 4.92%. Throughout the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock was 4.45%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tecnoglass, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate low expectations for the company's future, or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could represent a buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates suggest earnings of $1.10 per share. Pay attention to these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tecnoglass. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tecnoglass is at $73.47. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be exceeded before entering a position. For those who already possess the stock, this could be an important level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such scenarios. The combined average rating for Tecnoglass from various analyst sources is neutral. Let's review some recent insider trades. On the 14th of August, 2025, Energy Holding Corporation executed an insider sale of 1,495,898 shares of ordinary shares. On the 13th of May, 2025, Energy Holding Corporation executed an insider sale of 1,490,000 shares of ordinary shares. On the 4th of February, 2025, Perez John Paul conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 12th of November, 2024, Weil A. Lorne conducted an insider sale of 88,173 shares of ordinary shares. On the 12th of November, 2024, Torres Julio A. executed an insider sale of 30,520 shares of ordinary shares. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 98.933. In title, insiders have acquired 25,762,199 shares and sold 11,642,170 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Tecnoglass stock a good buy? Tecnoglass Inc. displays several negative signals and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, our assessment of this stock is negative. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 22nd of August, we expect Tecnoglass to open lower by approximately 437 of a dollar, beginning at $69.56. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.